Hi everyone, Donna here. I'm the owner here at Bookkeeping Made Simple. Today I want to address a comment that was made on one of my YouTube videos, basically asking if I farm out bookkeeping to other bookkeepers. And I want to unpack that question a little bit. So using the term farming out really makes it sound like the question is, do you give this to someone who's unaffiliated with your company and then, forget all about them? Honestly, nothing could be further from the truth. So I want to kind of unpack a few things. One is many, not all, but many bookkeepers are what I call kitchen table bookkeepers. They don't have an accounting background. They've learned QuickBooks. They may take a course in bookkeeping, and then they hang out their shingle and they advertise that they are doing bookkeeping. They may take on a few clients. Very seldom can they take on more than 10 or 20. They don't charge much. They don't treat their business like it's a business. They're running this entirely from their cell phone. They're not hiring anyone to help. They don't have a staff. I am shedding. They just don't take it seriously. This is a part-time gig to them. Okay, so that's one option when you're looking for a bookkeeper. Another option is CPA firms. CPAs are more likely to be with a firm which is established, has been around for a while, but their focus is generally not small business. It's audit and attestation and more complex tax returns. You're not going to go to a CPA for your individual tax return. It's too expensive. You're going to go to a CPA to do a very complex tax return, and even then, they may not be the best use of your money. Their charges start at $300 an hour and go up. They're more expensive than attorneys. And it's difficult to become a CPA. In order to become a CPA, you need a master's degree in accounting. You have to have 120 credit hours in specific accounting related courses. You have to go through a 4-part professional exam, which is known to be the most brutal in all of the professions. It is harder to pass than the bar or the physician's boards. It has a higher fail rate than both of those. So CPAs have a harder exam, and then they have to do a year's internship with another CPA, and who has to then basically say, this accountant does follow generally accepted accounting principles, and it's okay to make them a CPA. And then the licensing is expensive. So it's expensive. You have to have a master's degree. You have to have a year's internship. You have to go through a very, very brutal exam, which I'm actually thinking about taking the practice exam just to make sure I can pass it. Just because I like to do that. I'm a good test taker. And because of that, there's a shortage of CPAs. The AICPA, which is the trade organization, so to speak, of CPAs, has been coming out and saying, we need more accountants. We have a shortage in the accounting industry. So CPAs can pick and choose their clients. Not that they couldn't always pick and choose their clients, but even more now. So if you're a startup business and you just need a little bit of bookkeeping help, that's not the best option for you. Okay, maybe later when you're ready to hit the buzzer at the New York Stock Exchange, when you're ready, want to go there, that's when you hire a CPA. We're different. I started out actually as a kitchen table bookkeeper. I had started a degree in computer science, so obviously I like numbers. And then after I had a few kids and wanted to be home with my kids, found myself a single mother, I figured I could do bookkeeping, right? This is how a lot of bookkeepers get started. So I started learning QuickBooks. I started doing all the things I just accused all the other bookkeepers of doing. But very quickly, I realized that in order to provide the level of service that I want to provide to my clients, I needed more education. So I went back to college and got my accounting degree. I am currently working on a master's of business administration because I really want to focus on helping businesses grow, not just accounting, but how to use accounting to help businesses grow. I hire people. I hire fantastic people who are great at what they do. I train them on how to do the work the way I want it done. That doesn't mean they don't have some leeway, but there's a certain workflow we use. There's specific processes we use. We talk back and forth all the time. This is a professional business. We have an office phone. Now, I'm not relying on Laura's cell phone, my cell phone. The number that you call that we advertise goes to an office line, and then you can call individuals. You can have their direct numbers, but you can call the main number and reach anybody you want. And that means that when you call the main number, and sometimes even if you call a direct number, if the person you're trying to reach isn't available, someone will answer the phone and give you the information you need. We can all get to the information that our clients need. It's not just me. And that to me is a huge selling point. I like knowing that when I call into something, if one person is on vacation, I can still get my questions answered. Okay, so if your lead bookkeeper's out of the office, someone on our team is going to be able to help you. It really doesn't matter who you talk to. If the bookkeeper you speak to isn't quite sure how to answer your question, that's fine too. They will then turn around and call someone else. They will get you the answer and get back to you. The one person that's a little bit more difficult to get time with is me, because I'm the owner, and that means I have duties and responsibilities that no one else has. And even then, I have a standard for our firm of a 24-hour, well, not 24-hour, a 1 business day turnaround on contact. So if you do call and you do get voicemail for some reason, someone will call you back. If it's not me, the person you're trying to reach, someone is going to give you a call back so that we can help you grow your business. So no, I don't farm out bookkeeping. I hire highly qualified individuals to staff my company. I meet with them regularly to make sure everything is going well. I train them in our workflow, so clients shouldn't be able to tell who's doing the work. We treat it like a business so that our clients get treated the way they deserve to be. Thanks so much, everyone. I am so looking forward to talking to you again soon. If you have questions or comments about your bookkeeping, if you need help with your bookkeeping anywhere in the United States, give us a call at 801-692-0032, and we would be delighted to help you. Have a great day.